Assalamualaikum. I am Riazul Islam, a Rohingya youth, a storyteller and humanitarian worker. 25 August is not just a date, it's a day of remembrance. I was young, but I witnessed Myanmar military enter in my village, shooting civilians, burning homes, and committing sexual violence against women and girls. On 25 August 2017, countless Rohingya civilians were killed, villages and religious schools were burnt, families were separated, and nearly 1 million Rohingya were forced to flee to Bangladesh. Many people remain missing, and survivors continue to live with the trauma of what happened. 9 years have passed, but justice remains unfinished and safe. Dignified repatriation remains unresolved. I call on the international community, recognize the Rohingya genocide, hold perpetrators accountable, support justice and a safe, dignified return. Remember the victims, stand with survivors, demand justice for the Rohingya.